OpenAI is partnering with defense startup Anduril to provide its AI tech for U.S. military systems designed to counter drone attacks. Anduril will integrate OpenAI's models into software for tracking unmanned aircraft, improving response accuracy and reducing collateral damage. However, OpenAI's tech will not be used in Anduril's weapon systems. This collaboration follows OpenAI's policy shift in January, when it began working with the Pentagon on cybersecurity and other projects. OpenAI has also recruited former Defense Department officials, including Sasha Baker and Paul Nakasone. At the New York Times DealBook Summit, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman criticized Elon Musk, CEO of X and Tesla, for allegedly using political influence to harm competitors and benefit his own businesses, calling it profoundly un-American. Musk, who leads xAI, an OpenAI competitor, is involved in shaping AI policy for Donald Trump and heading a commission to cut federal agencies. Musk is also suing OpenAI for alleged anti-competitive behavior. Altman expressed disappointment, describing xAI as a serious competitor, but saying he's tremendously sad about the lawsuit. DeepMind, Google's AI research division, has unveiled Genie 2, a model that generates interactive 3D worlds from a single image and text description, like a cute humanoid robot in the woods. Building on its predecessor, Genie, the new model creates playable environments where users can perform actions such as jumping and swimming using a keyboard or mouse. Trained on videos, Genie 2 simulates animations, physics, lighting, and NPC behaviors. It can render consistent scenes with different perspectives and maintain visual accuracy for unseen parts of the environment, a challenge for similar models like Descartes' Oasis. However, its training data, potentially including YouTube videos, raises copyright concerns about whether it's mimicking games it was trained on. DeepMind positions Genie 2 as a tool for prototyping interactive experiences and testing AI agents, rather than creating fully playable games. Despite ethical concerns, Google is investing heavily in world model research, hiring talent like Tim Brooks, formerly with OpenAI, and Tim Rock-Taschel, Meta, to advance its capabilities. Cyberattacks are surging, with organizations facing around 1,300 attacks weekly in Q1 2024. Losses from cybercrime could exceed $13 billion by 2028, according to Statista. Startup Axiado, founded in 2017, tackles this issue with its security-focused chips and software. These chip-secure devices like data centers and 5G stations, protecting against boot-level attacks and runtime threats. CEO Gopi Suranini highlights the chip's root-of-trust technology and AI-driven monitoring, which detects suspicious data patterns. Axiado recently expanded into AI-driven data center cooling systems to cut costs and environmental impact. With $140 million in total funding, including $60 million from its Series C, the company plans to scale production and grow its global team of 100. Mass production is expected in 2025. Perplexity, the AI-powered search engine, is expanding its publisher program, adding outlets like LA Times, Adweek, Mexico News Daily, and others. Publishers will share ad revenue and gain access to performance metrics. Jessica Chan, Perplexity's head of publisher partnerships, emphasized the importance of news organizations in delivering factual answers. The program also includes pre-media, Lee Enterprises, The Independent, and others, while notable absentees include the New York Times and Dow Jones, which have raised legal concerns about Perplexity's content practices. Perplexity's relationships with publishers remain contentious. Some accuse it of summarizing paywalled content without permission, leading to lawsuits and criticism. Despite citing sources, errors and issues with content usage persist. Perplexity is also keeping its program terms private, a contrast to OpenAI's transparent ChatGPT search partnerships. As Perplexity grows, now serving 20 million daily queries, it faces pressure to boost revenue while addressing publisher disputes.